सुनो 1024 वेडनेसडे की शाम विकी के साथ हो हरी होम हरी पे। क्या हो रहा है? बहुत सारी प्राइजेस, बहुत सारी चीजें तो एज यूजुअल होंगे, लेकिन आज ना बहुत ही खास मेहमान है हमारे स्टूडियो में, जिनका नाम है डॉक्टर विमी झाम, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर ऑफ मार्केटिंग एंड एमबीए प्रोग्राम चेयरपर्सन एट इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट टेक्नोलॉजी दुबई। Dr. Vimi, welcome to Suno 1024.
Yeah, thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
You know, I must really compliment her timing because वो आधे घंटे पहले आगे इसी बात पे तालियां होनी चाहिए। really, you know, जब भी कोई सेलिब्रिटीज या कभी you know आते हैं तो हमेशा लेट ही आते हैं। कमाल का टाइमिंग है आपका, आधे घंटे हर जगह ऐसे ही आप जल्दी पहुंचे। Your husband must be really happy, right?
Yeah, I try to follow this international standard time, you know, being on time.
Excellent. Now, since you're here about to talk about Institute of Management Technology Dubai, मैं जानना चाहूंगा दैट यू नो मैं बहुत दिनों से सबसे कह रहा हूँ कि बहुत सारी लीडिंग पार्टनर यूनिवर्सिटीज है जहाँ पे पढ़ सकते हो और बहुत सारे कोर्सेज है जो कर सकते हैं, जैसे एमबीए हो गया, एग्जीक्यूटिव एमबीए हो गया, बैचलर्स इन बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन हो गया। फ्रॉम यू डॉक्टर विमी, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट टेक्नोलॉजी दुबई क्या क्या ऑफर करता है?
Yeah, sure. Good evening to everyone who's listening. I would first like to throw a little light on what IMT Dubai is all about.
Okay.
IMT Dubai is an international campus of a business school which belongs to India, that is IMT Ghaziabad.
Okay.
And IMT Ghaziabad is among the India's top 10 business schools.
Wow.
We established IMT Dubai here in 2006.
अच्छा.
And since then, we've been having programs in business. And this year, we are launching a program in commerce as well, that is
Okay.
BCom in accountancy.
Okay.
But talking about IMT, it's a leading business school offering high quality business program. And the best part is that it's accredited by the Ministry of Higher Education and Scientific Research UAE.
Okay.
So our degrees are more valuable, and they are you know, they're what I can say is that they have more value in the government sector in the UAE as well.
Oh wow.
As they are in the private sector. We are also licensed by the by KHDA, that is Knowledge and Human Resource Development Authority, that is Dubai government. We provide high quality curriculum, and we have outstanding faculty, world class infrastructure and facilities. Going ahead with the programs, we provide programs in the undergraduate and the postgraduate level.
Okay.
So as I said that we are just launching this year our BCom program, which is with specialization in accountancy. And our emphasis on that would be on IFRS and, you know, select Oracle and XBRL modules.
Okay.
Which is very rare to find in the UAE.
Okay.
So I would say that students who are actually looking for, you know, taking admission, for them this is a very good opportunity. And seats are filling in fast. And it's a very good, it'll be a very good experience for them to be with the best of the faculty.
Definitely.
And listening to, you know, some great speakers.
Who come regularly.
Yes, who come
to
regularly.
IMT.
Yes, definitely. We've been running the BSBA program. And we have specializations in that, like retail management, accounting, logistics and supply chain management. That's again a 4-year program. Again,
Okay.
BCom is a 4-year program that I was talking about.
Okay.
MBA is our flagship program.
Okay.
And MBA we run in India as well, in our 3 campuses. The specializations that we give in MBA are again international banking and finance, human resource management, marketing and retail management, then
Okay.
projects and operations management. And
Okay.
our students get a lot of corporate exposure when they go and, you know, do these programs. So they're really industry ready by the end of the 2 years.
Exactly. खाली theory नहीं है,
Yes,
practical भी हो रहा
yes,
है.
absolutely. Like for example, in the MBA program, there's a compulsory internship which they have to do for 2 months in the first year.
Okay.
Which is again a credit course, so they have no way out. You know, they will be
They have to do this. Okay.
Right now, for example, nowadays students are doing their internships, and again in the second year they do company project, which is again compulsory for 3 months, which is again a credit course. So see, 2 times during their MBA program they are you know, getting industry exposure. And finally, I think ours is the only institute, as I know of, we are following the tradition back way in India. We are also giving them a lot of placement assistance once they complete the 2-year
That's so
MBA
important.
program.
That's so important to get a job.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And so a lot of our alumni are spread over, you know, in the UAE. I mean, I would say worldwide.
Wow.
You know, and in fact, I would tell people to visit IMT's Facebook or IMT's alumni Facebook, you know, IMT Dubai's, where they can see our prominent alumni being featured on.
And get inspired by them, yeah?
Absolutely. And another course, you know, which is a very, I would say, sought for course for working professionals, which we offer during weekends.
Okay.
And also we are planning to launch this in the evenings. Is the executive MBA program, which is basically with work experience of 3 years.
Okay.
You know, people need to have a work ex of 3 years.
I have 5 years in radio.
Hi, so I think you're most welcome to come and join.
Okay.
In fact, we'll give you some discount as well.
Okay.
Good. You'll be, I mean, you know, you'll be every day telling people about our program once we have you on the course.
Imagine doing a show on accounts.
Yeah.
So debit what comes in, credit what.
You know, so we again have international banking and finance and human resource management, marketing and retail management, projects and operations management, specializations with executive MBA. Executive MBA is basically a weekend program, and people finish it in about 13 months time.
Okay.
So it's again a great learning because you are coming every weekend, you are interacting with our faculty members. We have full-time faculty members
Okay.
who are delivering the lectures in the executive MBA as they are doing it in the other programs as well.
Okay.
So and moreover, it's an experience-based learning. You know, the executive MBA is an experience-based learning. So we have a lot of Emirati and expat population coming and doing the executive MBA. In fact, other courses also, but people from the government sector who are working are doing it. You know, after they do this program, many of the alumni come back and share with us the kind of
Promotions and
up the ladder they have gone in their organizations, and
that's
they're
great.
happy.
That's amazing.
Yes.
जानना चाहूंगा that कि 12th के बाद 12th grade के बाद कौन से courses है and graduation के बाद what should people look for,
Yeah.
especially in
See, we
business.
specialize in business and commerce.
Okay.
So after 12th, we have, as I said, BCom in accountancy and a BSBA, which
Okay.
is like a BBA course. We call it Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. We
Okay.
are calling it, right? And as I said, our programs are accredited. So, they hold more value worldwide. They are comparable and par with any foreign degree. Students want to go ahead and they want to do their higher studies. It's going to be valid. So there's not a problem with that validity part. In the BSBA program, again, it is also experiential learning. Students do get an exposure to, do their, again, internship, which is mandatory in BSBA again. It
Okay.
is minimum 8 weeks, which they do.
Okay.
And again, the same internship is mandatory, which is in the BCom program as well. So there is a lot of industry exposure. Again, BCom and BSBA again can be attended in the full day or, in the weekend mode or evening mode as well.
Oh, that's great.
The choice as well is there for these programs.
Fantastic.
And a little bit about the entry criteria. They need to take IELTS. English proficiency test is required.
Okay.
So they need an IELTS of 5.5 for
out of 10.
Yeah, it's on a scale of 8.
Scale of 8, okay.
8. IELTS in on 8.
Okay.
So it's 5.5 in IELTS and for BCom, but for BSBA it's 5.
Okay.
Right. Similarly for MBA it's 6. We also take TOEFL and we also take PT, that is Pearson Test of Education. English, sorry. So that also we are on. So this is it. But students undergo definitely a small interview with us.
Before you select them,
Of
yeah.
course. And
This is
there
interesting.
Yeah, there's a minimum aggregate score also which they have to score in their 12th grade.
Amazing.
Which is about 55%.
Fantastic.
So
Since you were mentioning about accredited institution and all that, we are going to come to that. We play a song. हर किसी को नहीं मिलता यहाँ admission IMT में. Should I say that? You need to get good marks. Yeah.
Of course, we get the best actually.
Okay,
And we
Suno.
aspire for the best.
Dr.
Yeah.
Vimy Jam in the studios of Suno. सुनते रहिए. If you have any question, 3536 पे SMS कीजिए. विकी के साथ हो Suno 1024. Dr. Vimy Jam, Associate Professor of Marketing and MBA Program Chairperson at Institute of Management Technology Dubai हमारे साथ स्टूडियो में है. Vimy जी, welcome
Yes.
again to Suno.
Yes.
बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आए हैं आपके लिए. आई वुड प्रॉब्ली वांट टू मेंशन सम ऑफ देम. अंबर का मैसेज आया है, कह रहे हैं कि यार एग्जीक्यूटिव एमबीए ये जो कोर्स है इसका कॉस्ट कितना होगा और वेबसाइट क्या है इसके लिए?
So Amber, you can visit our website at www.imtdubai.ac.ae.
Okay.
And he can get to know about the course. And also if he wants, he can call 044227244.
एग्जैक्टली वो एवरीडे में ये नंबर देते रहता हूँ 044227244. अब तो याद हो जाना चाहिए.
Yes. And I think he wants to know about the cost fees of the program.
हाँ, कितना कॉस्ट होगा एग्जीक्यूटिव एमबीए का?
So it's about, as I said, 13 months program. It's about 65,000 AED, which he will be paying in,
Installments.
different installments and different modules.
बट उसके बाद 65 का 165 आप जो बनाने वाले हो काम करके वो अलग है.
True, and a lot of, I think, learning and knowledge skills also get, imparted while they are doing this program.
डेफिनेटली. सूर्या का भी मैसेज आया है. वो कह रहे हैं कि इज इट पॉसिबल टू कंटिन्यू बीकॉम इफ कंप्लीटेड 2 years फ्रॉम मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी?
If he has done 2 years in Mumbai University, it will be a transfer credit course, right?
Okay.
But as I said, that our courses are technology-oriented BCom with IFRS and Oracle based. So it's better that he does it from the first year onwards only, so that he is in tandem with what other students are doing. Otherwise, he will be at a loss.
हाँ, तो सूर्या वो 3 साल का कोर्स आप यहाँ से कीजिएगा IMT, which makes more sense, Surya.
For 4 years, not
for 4
3
years.
Yes, the course is 4 years.
Also, you were mentioning about accreditation from Ministry of Higher Education and Scientific Research UAE. If you could just throw some more light on it.
I think accreditation. First of all, before I speak about accreditation, I'll say that the programs at IMT Dubai, they have we follow an international curriculum.
Okay.
And they're focused on providing students with critical thinking and lifelong learning skills. Now, when I say this, I say that accreditation is a process of validation, which universities and colleges follow, and higher learning institutions, they are evaluated on this basis. Now, when I say this evaluation, I say that we give assurance to students, families, and people, and they tell them that the degree that they're going to get are, valued alongside any foreign qualification. If any student, wants to go for example, higher studies later on, he won't have any problem saying that whether this degree is valid or not. Like, we face issues. We cannot take students from non-accredited institutions doing MBA. I think we say no to so many parents, who tell us that, why my son or my daughter cannot get admission in an MBA program. And because the universities which they come from is not accredited by MOHESAR, Ministry of that is higher education, so we have to say no to them, though we definitely want to take them. Then, the students become more globally competitive because the curriculum we follow, as I said, is international.
Okay.
And not only that, accreditation, also improves the skills levels, productivity, and global competitiveness of nations as well, if I have to speak on this.
Okay.
And the degree has more value, especially if somebody wants a job in a government sector in the UAE. I don't think
easily he
can get a job there.
If you have it from an accredited institution.
Of course. That's why, as I said, the executive MBA program, we're getting a lot of people, locals coming, a lot of Emiratis, coming and doing this course. And, it's, of course, they know the value of the degree once they complete the course. So a lot of referrals and word of mouth goes on, for this course.
In fact, you were mentioning about BSBA program, Bachelor in Science and Business Administration. That's after 12th grade. That is something that, all the students should definitely go for, especially who want to pursue MBA after that.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah,
yes.
So that makes more sense. Like in India, I think it's called BBA, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, it's called BBA. Most of the places it's called BBA. Since we are also accredited by IACBE. So that's again a US accreditation we have, and we follow that as international accreditation part. So we call it BSBA, which is equivalent to BBA. And again, students get a lot of exchange and exchange with.
So they can travel abroad as well, and they can do that during the course. Okay.
Once a student gets into any of our programs, that is the bachelor's or the master's, excluding the executive MBA, which is for working professionals. For these courses, we have a partnership with 25 foreign universities all over the world.
Wow.
Where students can go. This is in UK, US, and Europe.
Amazing.
So students are getting an opportunity to go and study 1 semester.
Okay.
Which they can.
Which is 3 months.
6 months.
6 months.
Yes.
Amazing.
And if they don't want to do that, then we have another option for them where they get a double degree. So that means 1 degree is given by IMT Dubai and 1 degree is given by our partner university.
Oh, amazing! Double हो गया. मुन्नावा MBBS का 4-5 degree. Degrees की बात करें तो I've been watching the news lately and a lot of fake degrees निकल रहे हैं in India. Do you know about it?
तभी मैं accreditation की बात कर रही हूँ आपसे, क्योंकि वो fake degrees के बारे में लोगों को जानकारी देने के लिए कि accreditation का value कितना है. They should know. And if they want to do business, they should do with the specialists. Like we are specializing in business programs and commerce programs. Not that we are not planning to diversify. We're planning to diversify into other programs as well. But specifically, people are looking for business and commerce should take it from the specialists.
Great. And from the basics as well. BSBA karke, if you do it, then it will add a lot of value to your education skills. Great. Dr. Vimi Jam se aur bhi baatein hongi, especially about her PhD in business management, GCPCL from Harvard Business School. Now, this is something I'm very interested to know. GCPCL from Harvard Business School. And a lot of students must be saying that, Dr. Vimi, हमें ना बड़े होके आपकी तरह बनना है. So how do you get inspired and how you could be Dr. Vimy one day in your life. We'll let you know in some time. सुनो 1024 परदेसिया परदेश जाने का मौका मिलेगा अगर आप इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट टेक्नोलॉजी दुबई ज्वाइन करेंगे तो। और कैसे करेंगे ये मैं आपको बताता हूँ। फिलहाल तो डॉक्टर विमी झाम, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर ऑफ मार्केटिंग एंड एमबीए प्रोग्राम चेयरपर्सन एट इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट टेक्नोलॉजी दुबई। 23 इयर्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस है आपका मैम इंडस्ट्री में, टीचिंग, ट्रेनिंग, कंसल्टेंसी, GCPCL ये आप ये डिग्री आप होल्ड करते हैं फ्रॉम हार्वर्ड बिजनेस स्कूल, ऑल्सो PhD in business management, and all this in such a small age. इतने young age में आपने ये सब कर लिया।
From women you should not ask their age, right? Looks can be deceiving as well, right?
But I'm sure a lot of people inspire कि डॉक्टर विमी की तरह बनना है, PhD भी करना है, और हार्वर्ड बिजनेस स्कूल में पढ़ाई करके to get a degree from there is like a big thing.
Yeah, I'll correct you that it's not a degree, it was a certificate from Harvard Business School.
Okay.
And it's basically that in our profession, once we are into teaching profession, as I said, that we provide experiential learning at IMT to students. That means it's not just lectures, it's interactive learning which we do. So we as professors, we have to be very much equipped with the practical knowledge.
True.
And that doesn't come just by giving cases to students from Harvard or Kellogg's and asking them to solve. It's that we ourselves also have to be competent enough to write cases. So that's how I was nominated for this program of GCPCL at Harvard, and it was a case writing and case development workshop which I did there. And in that I learned how we exactly write international cases of repute, and I have published cases with the international journals which are well known all over the world. I published 3 books on cases.
Amazing.
So I would like people to read those and online,
and normal people can go and buy those books.
Yes, of course, these books can be purchased by the normal people.
And
I use these cases with my students in the classes all the time. And since you write cases on your own, so you have more in-depth analysis of what exactly the case is about, and so you can give students a lot of time to brainstorm and come back with answers. So they sometimes give you different solutions to the cases when you give them a problem or you ask them to analyze the case.
Amazing. In fact, आपके केस पे ही दूसरा केस उन लोग डाल के देते होंगे, कभी-कभी ऐसा होता होगा।
They give, of course, new directions to the case studies. So cases is one thing, but there are a lot of other things like simulations and role plays.
And books you were mentioning, क्या नाम है आपके books का which people can normally
I just wrote one book on cases in consumer-centric marketing, which was published by IGI Global USA. So that book it can be purchased even online, from Amazon and or IGI's website itself. They can go and they can buy this book and probably read. We also encourage entrepreneurship at IMT, that we want students not only to, as I said, we give placement assistance, but we want them to become entrepreneurs as well.
True, खुद का कुछ करो.
Yes, of course. So like this, I had written one book on cases in, on entrepreneurs, and also these were the entrepreneurs who are alumni of IMT.
Amazing.
So basically their stories, it's a compilation of, about 10 to 11 entrepreneurs of IMT. I published one book. So, in an entrepreneurship course or in general, students definitely, like to read these, and they get inspired that our alumni are entrepreneurs,
इतने बड़े लोग
they were having their own ventures, and we invite alumni as well to come and, motivate our students.
So Dr. Vimy, when do you teach? I mean, what is the time so that, when students are listening to you right now, BSBA mein, do you give lectures?
Yeah, I definitely.
So what time do you come so that, they can definitely come and meet you, take a selfie with you?
Yeah. You're trying to make me a celebrity.
You are. Also, जानना चाहेंगे कि scholarships और grants मिलते हैं IMT में. I'm sure bright students के लिए होता है.
Definitely. A lot of lucrative scholarships we have. So we have some, merit-based scholarships which are for CBSE and ICSE students. They start from about, students getting 70% to 95%.
Wow.
I mean, and scholarships are ranging from 30% to 100% for these students. We also have some scholarships for GMAT and CAT-based students, who take these common admission tests in India, or they take a GMAT score. So scholarships are based on their scores as well. And GMAT scores need not be more than 3 years old, so probably we give scholarships based on this. I was talking to you about the international exposure that we give at IMT, you know,
Yeah,
and I told
US,
you that.
Europe.
Yeah, I told you about because about 25 partner universities, but I didn't complete about the double degree programs, which are also students are already on that.
Okay.
And we have some very prestigious partners like MIT, you know, Zaragoza Logistics Center in Spain.
Okay.
We have, with partnership with Arizona and also with Strathclyde in Arizona in US. And specifically, students spend 1 year there, so they get 1 degree from there and 1 degree from
Wow.
IMT.
तो छुट्टी का छुट्टी, पढ़ाई का पढ़ाई दोनों हो गए.
Yeah. Business with pleasure, yes. Definitely. It's a motivation for students.
Okay, next intake कब होगा IMT पे?
See, for the bachelor's and for the full-time 2-year MBA program, we are going to start, you know, in the last week of August. We start with the classes now.
Okay.
But EMBA, we have 3 intakes at the moment. The May intake is already on. We have 1 in the month of May, that's the summer intake. 1 in January and 1 in September, like the last week of August, as I said.
And also, you can log on to imtdubai.ac.ae. आप log on करके सारा information ले सकते हैं. Yeah, you can also call 0442272244, Institute of Management Technology, Dubai. So you're having a summer vacation right now for you? I mean, आपके लिए, खुद के लिए?
We have the EMBA course which is going on. The summer batch is on. And of course, the faculty can take an off once the teaching is not there.
Okay.
So nowadays, most of the faculty members are on their annual leave.
So आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं अभी?
Yeah,
Europe,
I'm also
Switzerland?
planning. No, not yet decided.
Delhi?
Not decided
I'm giving
yet.
you
Maybe
options.
Delhi, yeah. I may go to Delhi.
Great. Dr. Vemi, it was lovely having you in the studios of Suno. And any last few words you want to mention about IMT?
Yeah, I would just say that IMT Dubai provides an experience to students, you know, which help them build and enhance their careers by providing them the related knowledge in the particular discipline with a lot of innovation in it, and it also imparts a lot of leadership skills. So I just want to also mention that I'm myself an alumni of IMT Ghaziabad in India.
Amazing.
So I can say that from my experience. No, I mean, in my own experiential learning, I can tell you that, you know,
it's the best.
Yes, it is the best.
Great, Dr. Vemi. Lovely having you in the studios, and I'm going to play a lot of songs for you. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.